Hey everybody, it's November 25th. Just got called out from a mechanic shop we tow for. One of their employees' boats had lost a wheel down here in the turn lane. So I'm going up here to load it up, take it to their house. Probably bearings or something went out and the tire probably came off, but hopefully it didn't hurt the boat. We'll see here in a minute. The light's about to change. I can see it up there. It's like a racing boat or a sports boat. A little fast boat. Not really a fishing boat. It's more of a speed, go, fast boat. But here we go. Light's about to change. See what we can do for the guy. Howdy.
What's up, Joel?
Good job. No.
Remember me?
Yeah.
Hey, do you have a dolly we can put up under that so we don't scrape
A dolly?
the shit out of it? Yeah.
No.
No dolly.
I don't have a dolly.
Don't you guys got like wheel dollies for cars that got locked up wheels and stuff on?
Oh, we got Gojek, but they're back at the shop.
I should have told her to make sure. I told her to make sure to bring a flatbed.
Yeah. I want to lower that landing gear down.
Probably just use that block of wood I got. Someone might be driving tow truck. You mentioned dolly. I said I doubt they got that on their truck. But I do think they got it.
Oh, yeah. Thanks.
Okay. Was nice enough to, was nice enough to give me a jacket.
Oh, you guys ain't together. Oh, okay. Well, that's nice of you. I was able to look about 20 minutes up, but I was able to maintain the Yeah, I carry a lot of wood on my truck. Yeah. You never know what you're gonna get every day. Yeah. We get a lot of cars with ball joints and stuff. And what's up? Hey, how close is the motor to the ground? Does it tilt? Yeah, if you can tilt it up, that would help a lot. There you go. A lot better. I wish they all had that. That is nice. There you go. What is it?
The frame is already sticking out over the side.
Oh yeah, I need to turn a little more. I will in a minute. Once I get the bed out, then when I pull it, the front's going to come this way anyhow. I just want to make sure the back wheels...
Not going far.
Yeah. Need to go. There we go. Go ahead and pull your jack out. Can't get it, I can always lift the boat up once the boat comes up. Oh, you did get it, okay. Yeah, I got a couple more pieces. I'm not gonna go on far, anyways. I mean, the wheel on the other side's already on. Yeah. Oh, right down the street. Okay.
Yeah, because you don't have much more distance on the front anyway.
No, I'm almost. I mean, I could go a little bit, but not too much more. I carry a lot of wood on my truck.
I got, dude, my Thunder, I've got jacks,
yeah.
kinds of chunks of wood and stuff.
Because you honestly never know what you're going to get.
You never know. I went to the Keys with a different boat, and I snapped the spring on the way down there. I took a 4x4, stuck it between the axle and the frame, duct taped it to the axle, ratchet strapped everything in place, and made it all the way down there. Half the time I was there, I couldn't find the right spring until I found the right.
Really?
Yeah. I almost just said, fuck it, I'll do it when I get back. I changed the spring.
Kind of want to get them other boards out. Back in my box. There you go.
About this whole thing is right here, man.
Yeah.
This is such a rare boat. It's all.
Yeah, I know. As soon as she said his boat, I was like, oh no. Yeah, as soon as she said whose boat it was, I said, I hope it's not the one I seen up in his shop.
We spent all day cleaning it, polishing it. Getting the truck ready,
yeah.
Go up there all trimmed out.
Did it show you any sign or just come all off at once?
A guy told me my tire was smoking, so I pulled over right up here. I was thinking about that far out, and I knew what it was.
Yeah.
And I'm going, do I try to get it home or do I just get it? I thought I better get it up in here. As soon as I made the turn, I went real easy.
Yeah.
Wobble, wobble, and blam.
Oh. Well, thank God you got off the road. Could you imagine if it was doing that on the road? If you didn't know it? Okay.
By the light.
All right, that'll work.